Welcome back to another episode of AI Learner to AI Earner. We're going to do some awesome stuff. So you have a good MVP, you have a landing page, you have leads, you have an agent calling for you 24 hours. Now, you need a brand kit, right? Even for your website, your product, you need a logo, you need color palettes and stuff, right? That is what we'll be focusing on this episode. So let's get right anyway, right? So first of all, for PPTs, you guys must have heard about Gamma AI. In short, what it does is that it can help you create PPTs with just typing. Yes. Now, we'll be creating logos and stuff like that. But first, I just wanted to start with a PPT because pitch deck and all is what's really important to sell your company, okay? To have investors. So this is one of the best ways. Now, there is this option of Gamma. Like I could show an example, like paste in text. Write a description. I'll just ask ChatGPT, write a description about our product, and we want a pitch deck, like a prompt. Now just put this in and create a pitch deck for this. Now we can just do it with a web page, converting our own web page and social media and stuff like that. But we're just going to do this because we are none of them right now. And okay, so we can choose between minimal, concise, extensive. So I'm just going to go detailed. I prefer really minimal stuff on my PPTs, like you must have seen. And just playful, bright, minimalistic. And you can have your own themes here too. There is a lot of themes, like a lot. So actually, okay, I like this green one, but I like these colors. Okay, this thing, and click on okay, we can choose number of cards. I'm just going to go with 6. Image art style we can choose which AI model it uses to create the pictures. You can choose if it's supposed to have AI pictures or if it's supposed to take from Google. Now look at the magic. So here it needs to fix that up. But yeah, everything else, it's good, man. It's actually so sick. And it's done, right? Now, see, I'll tell you something about this. This is not bad, okay? This is not, okay? But everyone will know this is Gamma. And you have control over it and all that. But I'm not a fan of this. Now, how do you create PPTs like mine? I'm not saying mine is the best PPT. But a lot of people do ask me, right? How do you do this? This is all things that are coming in the front. So people ask me, like, how do you do this and all, right? So you can easily do this with programs like ChatGPT. Yes, you'll be like, you're creating PPTs with ChatGPT. I've tried it and it's so bad. Let's give an example, okay? So come to ChatGPT, create the first slide for this product. Image generating, horizontal, and in 16:9 ratio, like YouTube. We can even put that in, okay? Once you do that, it creates a picture of one of the slides. Now you have to do this with each slide, but trust me, it is good. It's worth it, right? When you create slides like this, that is when it stands out, right? It stands out how you do stuff, how the pictures are created and all that, okay? So let's just wait for it. Oh, I think it knows I like purple and pink, and the theme of the whole chat is purple and pink, right? Glow calc. So I think it's going with that. Let's see how it generates. That's so damn good, right? Check this out. You can actually use this for anything, not just a slide, but like this is the best thing about AI. Now take it, crop it, expand it. You can do whatever you want. So imagine I'm just like gonna copy this. So we'll be teaching about this, guys, today. You can even, so drawing stuff and all is far, right? Like these graphs, you can just draw your picture, upload this, and it will make it look cool. You can even do that. Wait 1 second. Let's just take the picture that we just took, upload it, so and just make it a little bigger. So see, now we have a problem. What do we do? Like this looks bad, right? Stretch. Now it's getting cut off, right? So what we can do in situations like this is use a expander. So I really like Photoshop's expander. So let's just open it. So just upload this. Okay. Make this smaller. Keep this here. So what you basically want is like left and right. So come to this crop tool. First crop it out, okay? First, trust me guys, I know what I'm doing, okay? You'll be like, cropping is not what we need, right? First crop it, okay? Then click on this again. Make this longer. Okay? And come here, click on generative expand and go. Okay? So you'll be like, what did you like to see? Nothing. Just click on generate. Because you know, if you want to see something like my face or something like that, you can't put your face like a car. I don't know what goes here, like stars and stuff. It can do that, but that's not our aim here, right? So here I'm just going to put generating and ta-da! It's here, right? So just click on file and just click on export. And done. Now I'm officially teaching Glow Calc, guys, in my PPT. Glow Calc. Welcome to the new. Okay, anyway. So right now we created the PPT. This is how you can create each slides, right? Now, what about logos, right? I'm not going to tell you to create logos in ChatGPT, don't worry. A better option is Videograph. I know, still AI. See, when you're starting out, you can't have best of the best of. You won't have money for that, okay? So that is where you have to use AI and stuff, right? Don't make it replace people. AI is not going to replace, but it's going to enhance your productivity, okay? Now, I'm going to come here, 1 by 1 is the size. I'm going to be like, write a prompt for logo. Now, before that, we need brand colors. What is the brand colors I could use for this based on market research and what each color means? Okay, in short, I'm telling it based on market research, what are the colors I'm supposed to use for this and what does each color mean? Okay, so it's saying this because are already this. So based on this, make a prompt to create a logo on how it could look. Creative, okay? So I'm just going to give this. So you can see here, purple needs to be luxury, innovation, creative energy, power. Like it's telling the idea of each colors. Based on that, it's telling it. Like you can see cyan here. That's one of the colors we use for Justice on Nyaya Sati. And it's trust, right? So that is the reason. You guys are getting to know everything. For a tech, minimalistic. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. Let's see what it does. I am not even going to read it, but make sure it has the idea. So let's click on generate. Most of the tools that I'm going to show you here are going to have paid and free plans. So this is free. Let's see what it makes. Hopefully it's good. These are all the stuff. This is how you would know, guys. I use these tools. Check it out here. Okay. I take these and make it better, actually. Oh my god. These are actually so... Oh, I love this. I love this. You can see that this is actually so good, right? We got a lot. Where math meets the future. Like, I could actually release this as a product, right, guys? Oh my god, I really love how it's on the phone. Like, now you have a logo, you have brand colors, you have literally everything, right? That is pretty much it for this section of where we create your brand PPT. And you even learned a secret way of how I create PPTs. Like, I've never told this to anyone. Trusting you guys, do not share it because it's such a good way, right? Not a lot of people are. Next section is going to be creating your own advertisement and stuff. So I can't wait for it. Hope you guys are there. Try to binge watch this. I'm joking. Don't. Okay. Take a notebook. Write these down. Try out these tools each day for yourself. You know, take this throughout a month. Don't binge watch this. Trusting me. Okay. Now, let's create an advertisement with AI in the next episode.
You guys did it, guys. You guys are halfway there. Welcome. Oh wait, is it New Year's? Happy New Year, guys. If it is going to come or I don't know if it is not yet. Anyway, today you guys literally got to know my darkest, deepest secret on how I create these cool PPTs. Hopefully they are cool to you. Anyway, now even you guys learn how to create logos to literally doing your branding. What each colors mean when you're doing your branding, like blue means trust and stuff like that. Anyway, hopefully you guys were able to learn something new. Keep coming back on every Saturday, Sunday, and hopefully you enjoy your Christmas, enjoy your New Year. I do not know what time it is. I'm being honest, I'm recording all this at one stretch. Anyway, you guys know the trick right now, right? Go check out the WhatsApp community of ThinkCraft, very exclusive. And also, I'm there live chat if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one. No, I'm not doing that. On the chat, on Leap, if we can all have a conversation. And you guys know one more thing. What is it? Guess. Finding the best phones, the best infrastructure, I mean, the best washing machine, best fridge, best literally everything at only the best place. Oxygen for the best price in this coupon code. That's it for me right now. Thank you, Oxygen, for making me do this for free, man. Like, literally, I'm the best editor, Richard, doing it for this. Like, thank you so much. Don't forget to use this hashtag to share your feedbacks, to note down what all you want, you learn, throughout this challenge. Anyway, thank you so much for staying for half 15 days. You can do more, I'm pretty sure. Only 15 more days. I mean, not 15 days. Only 7 more days left. Let's go. Anyway, that's it from my side. You are watching Round the Rockstar. That's it. Bye-bye.